Good morning. How do you correctly pronounce this park?
El Yunque.
El El Yunque.
Yeah.
El Yunque. Okay. I guess you don't sell water here, do you?
You can use the fountain there if you want to.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, go ahead,
Thank
no
you.
worries.
El Yunque.
Did you find a restaurant?
Yeah, it's right there. El Yunque.
Okay, there's this big bug.
The stink bug.
Yeah, walking stick somewhere around there.
Oh,
Oh, okay,
I'm
cool.
gonna give you a minute to see if you can find it.
Faith Jordan. Come here.
Oh no, they're taking pictures of another family.
Okay, that's a stink bug here. You see it, honey?
Huh?
Do you see the stink bug?
Let me put my glasses.
But wow, it's right here.
Oh yeah, I see it.
Where?
Right there.
Oh wow. Wow, good eye. Wow.
Yeah, because I got glasses on.
We're a non-profit called Para Naturaleza, and we
Okay.
do environmental education around the island, and we protect land in Puerto Rico. Specifically here, we have an agreement with the Forest Service in order
Okay.
to do environmental education. So we do tours around. We give information to the visitors around the forest and where to go, not to go.
How much is the tour typically?
So, for example, I got a tour of an hour and a half. Basically, we talk about the services that Yunque provides and also a little bit of history. That's $20 per person plus the tax, 22 something, I remember.
Okay.
But we're an hour and a half. We go to Baño Grande, enter Yunque Trail to a certain point, and then we come back. And along the way, we're gonna talk about different stuff and animals we see on the way. We do have a nocturnal tour, which is pretty nice. Nightlife in El Yunque is how we call it. It's 2 hours and a half, but it's actually a kilometer in, a kilometer out, so it's not much of a walking. It's always on the road, and you get to see a different biodiversity at night, bioluminescent, fluorescent stuff, and see
Oh.
coquis and different type of coquicos, the different species.
Oh yeah, that sounds really nice. But we're staying in the Old Town Park San Juan.
In San
and we'll-
Juan.
Yeah, but the traffic, so we want to like leave early.
yeah.
They say going back, you have to be there by 3 o'clock, or else the traffic is bad.
So you're heading to San Juan later. If you're going to San Juan, you're gonna be against the traffic because the traffic is gonna go up now into to this area. Because
Oh,
most
okay.
people go out from like the outer parts into
Yeah,
San
gotcha,
Juan,
gotcha.
and then in the afternoon is from San Juan to the outer parts.
Got it.
So in the
Yeah.
afternoon, on your way down, you're gonna notice there's not gonna be traffic.
Really?
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you're gonna see the traffic against you once you're in San Juan, like
Got it.
Yeah.
close to the airport more.
Got it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, because we hear that weekend in Old Town San Juan's like party town, so
Yeah.
we're trying to beat the traffic.
Okay, yeah, we'll think.
I can't actually see the comparison.
Yeah, wow. That's like at least 2 inches in diameter.
So here's the trail. We can go this way or that way.
Yeah, which way you go?
This one,
Let's go
This
up here,
trail.
it's up here.
huh? Which way?
Here. It's up here.
Okay.
Go here. What's this?
Oh, it's the observation center.
Oh, yeah, it's a dam.
Yeah. Here, John, walk. What the heck? Yeah, they call this a rainforest for a reason.
And it actually is raining.
That's right. Okay. Do you want to see what the house is real quick? I want to see what the house is real quick. Let's see what this beautiful old house over here is about. Right here. Go ahead and take a picture of it in case you get lost because there won't be any reception here. I took a picture at the tour station already.
Oh, there's a trail here. There's a cave.
Take a picture of me, Mom. Or
Okay.
Jordan.
Somebody squat in there.
How do I take a picture?
Take a picture of me. Jordan, take a picture of me.
It's like Minecraft.
So cute.
Secure all loose items. This is very slippery.
Very slippery. Looks like we're gonna go down that way.
Yeah.
You want me to go first, honey?
No, I'm good, honey. You pay attention, love. You pay attention, okay? Look at this view here. All right, we stay here and take a view. This is the money shot. This is the money shot, you guys. Right here, this angle is better. Yeah, this is the money shot. Okay, this. Be careful, honey. That's the money shot right there.
I don't see any money. All I see is just any commentary, honey? So you've been so quiet.
Oh, I'm just focused on trying to get to that El Junco peak because it's a 4.5 mile trail. So I'm just trying to conserve our energy and enjoy the view.
Oh, your face is kind of a little red. Are you okay?
Yeah, it's just from I told you.
Okay.
Breathing hard. That's why I'm focused. I'm in the zone.
She's focused. She's in the zone.
I'm in the zone. Red clay here.
Whoa.
Whoa, honey.
You glad it's what?
It's cool.
Yeah.
Red
Oh yeah.
Red clay.
If it was hot, it would be a lot more
Uncomfortable.
uncomfortable and challenging.
If you feel like you're struggling, let us know so we either take a break or we head back because you still have to conserve your energy to go back down.
That's a rock. Whoa!
Whoa, honey.
Slip. The rocks are slipping. Be careful. Oh,
A border?
yeah,
The fruit? Oh, I don't know.
I think they try to harvest these. Yeah, I remember I thought they tried to harvest those.
Don't eat.
Acme or whatever they call it. I'm not sure. Yeah, you can look it up.
Yeah, take a picture and we can look it up later.
Trail nuts right here, just to get some energy.
So if we come across some water again,
Put your backpack down, honey. It's
we'll-
okay.
we'll rinse it.
Just putting up some nuts to get some energy. Yeah, need some okay, we'll wash your hands.
Yeah. I need a piece of orange.
Get some energy, guys.
Oh, yeah, it's so sticky. Oh, yeah.
Here's my sugar.
Oh yeah.
Here, put a nut in my mouth.
Nut.
No, just a nut. I'm afraid the coconut will scratch my throat.
She wants a nut.
Or a raisin or something.
Yeah. A raisin.
Yeah, for sugar.
What is this, a pineapple? Oh my god, tissue?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yo, you know what this is?
My hands are sticky.
That's okay. Everything is sticky right
I
now.
understand my stomach. I can tear my stomach off.
Just about 20 minutes heading north away from the rainforest. You can stop by the beach here after a long 2-hour hike. It's refreshing, right? Going to the beach. There's also a refreshment stand here where you can pick up some nice coconuts and a pina colada, right? Looks like the family's out here enjoying a Friday evening at the beach.
Today we went to the National Yunque Park. You know, saw the wonderful mountains and the rainforest, tropical rainforest. Then we stopped by the beach. I would have to look up the name again. And now we are back in the parking lot. We found this great parking lot, the municipal parking lot that is at the bottom of the hill of Old San Juan. It's an easy walking distance to our hotel room, and it's only $5.
That's the best part.
Yeah.
How much is the hotel parking?
There's no hotel parking. There's a couple of parking garages near the hotel, a block or so away from the hotels, but they were all full.
So they were charging how much, $60?
It's anywhere from $24. Some posted $60 for overnight. $24 to $60 for overnight parking. So for $5, this is great because we're on a little bit of a budget. So we're walking towards the center of Old Town San Juan here. It's so beautiful with all the beautiful historic buildings. But it's quite hilly here in Old Town San Juan. Okay, thank you. Well, our food just came, and this is the house salad with no protein, but it does have, it looks like a little pork on there.
Okay.
The hanger steak with roasted sweet potato and spinach. Oh, thank you. The fried snapper right here, and some kind of mashed potato down there, and a margarita pizza. Yes. And we're just missing the mahi ceviche.
No, we did.
Okay, make sure you tell them when it gets here.
Okay. All right. Well, it looks great, and we'll take a bite to see how everything tastes.